Tips
Fake
to help you
friends
stop
are no
worrying
different
here
than
are some
shadows.
interesting
They
ways to
stick
stop
around
worrying.
during
1.
your
Remind
brightest
yourself that
moments,
worrying
but
doesn't stop
disappear
things
during
happening.
your
Things will
darkest
happen
hours.
or not happen
Positive
anyway.
stress can
2.
help you
recognize
be
that
happier
what
and
ifs
more
don't usually
productive
help
at
with
work.
problem solving.
According
It's
to
better
new
to
survey
use logic
data, spending
and
money
brainstorm
on
for
others
solutions.
yields
Take
more
control of your
happiness
emotions
than
by
spending
using
it on
rational
yourself.
thinking. 3.
Attractive
Motivate
female
yourself
students
by
no
something other
longer
than
earn
worrying.
higher
Take
grades
a break and do
since
something
classes
fun,
moved
and
online.
then go back to your
Some
work
people
again.
are
That
actually
positive
afraid
approach
of
will
being
reap more
too happy
benefits.
because
4.
they think
Face
something
your fears
tragic
and do
is
the
going
things
to
that you
happen
worry
soon.
about.
This
The
is
thought is
known
often
as
much worse than the
cherophobia.
actual thing you
Convincing
fear.
yourself
5.
you slept
Ask
well
yourself,
can
what's the
trick
worst
your
thing
brain
that could
into
happen?
thinking
Then,
it
what are the
actually
chances
did you
that it will
forgot
happen?
90 of
Then
your
will
dreams.
you survive it?
Within
If it
5
happens,
minutes
in the
of
end,
waking
usually
up,
emotional
that helps to move us from an
intelligence
extreme
often
and
matters
irrational
more
way
than
of thinking to
cognitive
a more
intelligence
realistic
when
and
it
reasonable
comes to
way of
success
thinking.
in life.
6.
The way
Teach
you
yourself
dress
a
is
range
linked
of
to your
relaxation
mood
strategies
well,
and
then concentrate on
stabilizes
them
and
instead of on
improves
your different
quality of
fears.
happiness,
Or adopt a
reducing
mindful
the risk
approach
of
and keep your
depression,
focus on right
happiness,
now.
anger, sadness, fear, disgust, and surprise are the 6 emotions that are universally expressed. Female serial killers account for only 8% of all American serial killers. But American females account for 76 of all the female serial killers. Worldwide, psychologists demonstrate why feeling appreciated is particularly important for avoidantly attached individuals. Expectant fathers sometimes experience a sympathetic pregnancy, exhibiting symptoms that parallel their pregnant spouses. Physical changes like weight gain or nausea, relationship problems may increase risk for suicidal soldiers. Pretending not to care is the habit of someone who generally cares the most. It is known as an emotional defense mechanism. Study shows that adolescents' well-being is not negatively influenced by video games, with those who are heavy gamers reporting higher well-being than those who play less or don't play. People who see themselves as attractive are more prone to act selfishly. Thanks to psychological entitlement, a study found that ignorant people are more likely to believe they're brilliant while intelligent people underestimate their abilities.